Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I would like to talk about the espresso calibration and different types of how we can make espresso, starting of course from the regular espresso 1:2 ratio, and then we will do the Ristretto and Lungo. We will try to explain the differences between the coffee to water ratio between those three and the flavor profile. So let's jump into the bar and let me show you a couple of things.
So let's extract here one espresso. We will use the recommended coffee to water ratio as our starting point and most balanced option, which is 1:2 ratio. For 18 grams of the coffee in our example, we are using 36 grams of water. If you want stronger cup, if it's 1:2 ratio, a little bit light for you, you can always go down with volumes and extract less than 1:2 ratio, less than 36 grams of water to make it stronger. Or if you want to make it lighter, you can add more water and you can extract up to 2.5 ratio to make it lighter based on your dose. So as we said, for the most balanced option we will use coffee to water ratio 1:2. For the lighter option we will use longer yield, more water, and for the stronger we will reduce the water volume.